Hello YouTube, my name is Anirudh and this is my video on how to transfer your game data files to your SD card. So there are some phones with very less internal storage, like my phone. This is the Galaxy Grand and it only has 4 gigabits internal storage, and so I can't store all of my games inside it. Like I have FIFA 14, NFS, Most Wanted, and MC4. So all of them are over 1 gigabit, and after that I have many other apps also. So the games like the Gameloft games, which have external data files, are stored in the internal storage in the Gameloft folder or the OBB folder inside the Android folder in your internal storage. So today I'm going to show you an app which lets you transfer those data files to your SD card and then link it to the folder in your internal storage. Yeah, it sounds kind of complicated. So in simple words, it just lets you store your data files in your external SD. So the app is known as GL2SD. It requires root. So if you don't have a rooted Android device, you can stop watching this video right now. And so just go to the Play Store and search GL2SD. So the first link or app would be it. Just click on it and install it. Okay, when you open the app the first time, there would be nothing over here. Like there are 2 games right over here. There won't be any of them when you first open this app. So I'll just show you the menu over here. You got a move data menu. So when you click on it, it shows you apps that can be which have external data and can be moved into the external SD card. So like I have FIFA 14, which has 1.3 GB and it is still in the internal storage. That is the external data. So I can transfer it to my external SD card, and so I will save some storage in my phone. Then there is show mounted folders. So it's not showing me anything, right? Oh, so when I mount it, this button mounts everything, mount, and this button unmounts everything. So if I mount it and then I click on show folders, it will tell me where my MC4 is mounted and where the NFS game is mounted. So I can just unmount it again. Then there is the settings. Nothing much over here. SD card path, language, and customize mounted folders. So if you want to make a folder in your external SD card saying MC4, and then you can just store the data of the game in that folder. So here it shows me my external SD. I can just make a folder from some other app and then click on that folder, select it, and my data files will be stored inside it. So you can just organize everything over there. Then auto mount, unmount when connected to USB, unmount when exit, force use debug daemon. I don't know what this does. Memory settings, clear cache when starting game. I don't recommend that. High priority to run games, you should check that. I don't know what it does. Cache setting, mount cache data less than 1 MB. Yeah, sure. Slide to remove an item. So when you mount cache data and you exit the game and reopen it, it will open the app at the exact same position. But if you don't check that, it won't. It will start the game again. So yeah. So I recently downloaded FIFA 14 here, and I'll just show you it's working right now. I have all the data files.
EA Sports, it's in the game.
Okay. Okay, let's see. I am currently 15. Confirm. Tap to continue. So as you can see, all the data files are downloaded and I can play the game. But like I will show you in NFS, it will open it and then ask me to download the data files. See, insufficient memory, 2055 MB is required to your game. But that's not really the case, as I've already downloaded the data file and used GL2SD. Where is it? To mount to transfer it to my external SD card. So when I click on play NFS mount and then click play, it mounts the data and then it uses that data to run the game. So now it will start. Just wait. Yeah, so you see it loads now and I can play the game. And I'll just show you the storage it is taking in my internal SD. So you can see NFS most wanted 2.09 GB and MC4 1.97 GB. So just remember that. And when I go to GL2SD and unmount it and go back to settings, what did it say? NFS 55 MB and MC4 63.11 MB. So now you see it really works. So FIFA is not mounted, so it says 1.34 GB. I'm just going to transfer it to my external SD card, move data, and where is FIFA? Here, 1.2. okay, that is not here. So that's the, there are two kinds of data files. One is the save file and one is the actual game file, which stores the, I don't know, the code and everything of the game, graphics and all that. So I move it and then it shows me the data is moving. So I'll just cut over here. So yeah guys, it's almost finished over here. It's on 96 right now, 97, 98 and 99. Now it's done and the data is moved. So now I get a choice of FIFA 14 in GL2SD. Now if it's unmounted right now, so if I go to the settings, go to apps and then sort by size, here FIFA 14 is way down over there at only 46.22 MB and 2.2 GB is only used. So yeah, that's the way how you can transfer your game files. So that is it for my video. Catch you guys later.